Hello, and welcome to our NJHMFA Site Evaluator tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Multifamily Site Evaluator tool. From here, go to the tab Information Resources. Click on Site Evaluators on the drop-down. You could find information on the Site Evaluators by clicking on the drop-down sections below. This breaks down the layer information used in the evaluators. Click on the image to bring you to a new page for the Site Evaluator. On the left-hand side, we have the data layers that are being displayed on the map. You are freely able to uncheck and check the boxes for information you are particularly looking for. The layers include municipalities that qualify for our programs, as well as other valuable data points that play a factor in QAP scores. The layers include municipalities that qualify for our programs, as well as other valuable data points that play a factor in QAP scores. In the top right corner, we have a search bar for you to search for a property to see if it falls within a data layer of your interest. I'm going to type in the address for Newark City Hall to see if this property qualifies for any of our programs. The map brings you to a property location that is indicated by a yellow circle around the property boundary in green. Click on the yellow dot to trigger a pop-up window with the information associated with that property. Click on the arrows to toggle the relationship to the other layers. This property is workforce housing eligible, urban preservation eligible. It shows municipality data, school district data. It is also a targeted urban municipality, has census tract information, and property details is indicated by the green boundaries around the property. This tool can also be used for curiosity and allows to freely move around the state. If I am only interested in one data layer, I can turn off all the other layers I do not need. For example, we can look at workforce housing municipalities and their relationship to transit centers. Now we see that Matawan is a workforce housing municipality and contains a portion of the Aberdeen-Matawan Transit Village. This tool can also be used for other needs as well. If you have any questions, please contact policy@njhmfa.gov. Thank you for watching.